Hello everyone, welcome to my very small space and very tightly compacted space. I want to share with you something really simple that I made for Easter, and it's kind of cool. And so what it is, it's an Easter card, a movable card, and obviously the sentiment of it, it's about Easter. So it's made up of images. This is the finished thing, basically. You can color it in any way you want, but this is the front, obviously, with the crucifixion face, and then you can open it and you've got like the He is risen, sorry if it's backwards, and the tomb, and this is the part that moves, so you can actually just roll the stone away. Yay! Okay, so these parts are all very easy. I actually made it out of a manila folder, and so that's what this part is, just a manila folder. I drew the pictures, and they can all be, I can actually provide like a template and instructions and everything for this. So yeah, we've got like the images that you can just print out and color in. You can do your own if you want to, and then so like this is the colored version that I did. Hopefully you can hear me and see me okay there. That's how I'll show you how it goes together, because it's really simple and very clever. I love moving stuff this way. I love paper arts. Okay, so when you get the template, there's actually a slit along here and another small slot along there, right? And so, hi Lottie, you can actually just you slide this in from this way first, because you have these little tabs. See these little tabs here, and they have to go through this slot. I should have done it on the table, hey. I might do some more, but anyway, I just wanted to introduce the idea to you. So you actually put the tabs to that little slot so that they come through there on the other side, see? And then you just get the boulder, and it's got a little slot in it as well, right here. And that goes on top. Those little tabs just go through that slot as well, like that, see? See that? And then you just fold them down, and you can just, after you color everything in first, by the way, color everything in before you glue anything. All right? Color everything before you glue anything. Remember that. All right, so then once you've done that, you can actually stick this down slightly loose so that it does slide. Okay, and that's how that mechanism works. Isn't it cool? I love pop-up and moving cards. So if you're interested in more of these, I do plan on providing more of these. And what I'll do is, I actually have a page called Learning with Lisa online, and I want to put the videos there, but I thought I'd do this first one so that people could see it. But it would be better if you could actually like that page, and I can put the link in the video description. I haven't done it yet, but I can. I post a video of a new card design, just to like the templates for it. You can actually just get notified of it then. But I thought it might be really helpful and useful for anyone that's got kids at home for Easter, and especially since we can't do church together, it'd be really nice to be able to have some fun, don't you think? So yeah, this is my He is Risen Easter movable Easter card. Do you like it? All right, and just one more time so you can see my finished one. I colored it in with pencil, but you can color it in with anything you want. All right, highlighters are fun. And there he is. Jesus is risen. Hallelujah. He is risen from the dead. Though he once died for each man's sin, he now reigns as King and Lord of Lords. Yeah. So we're not cancelling Easter. They can't make us do that, because whether they like it or not, he rose from the dead. Hallelujah. And we are more than conquerors with him. Glory, 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 glory. I feel like preaching. Anyway, If there's anything else I can help you with this one, let me know. Let me know if you want a link to the templates and anything like that. Okay. All right. It's really cool to see you. I don't feel like going now. We're having too much fun. Well, I am anyway. All right. So I will see you again soon. I've got some really cool ideas for very simple pop-up cards and other kinds of fun two-dimensional paper stuff that we can make three-dimensional and all sorts of groovy stuff. Okay, so let me know what you like, whether you're interested, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks, bye. Hello everybody. This feels really weird to do this, but I want to do a demo on how to make this card, and so I thought this is probably the best way to do it. Yes, it's the Easter He is Risen card with the pull tab that opens the tomb. So I am working at a really odd angle, so please excuse me if it's not perfect, but my goal is to actually just run you through how to put it together so that you know. So that's the finished thing. Noble Works on the back. So the materials that you need are cardboard. You can just use a manila folder. I love using recycled stuff, so you can use tissue boxes, cereal boxes. You can use any of that kind of thing as well. These are the size and shape that they are because they were actually given to me this way, so that's why I'm working with this size. It will work just with A5 as well, so the pictures that I've done are actually A5 in size, so 2 of these will print out on a single sheet of A4, right, just like that. So when you print them out, when you get the file, you can just print them out that way. All right. Now with the one that I'm going to show you, the demonstration one, I'm not going to colour it in because you've seen the coloured one anyway. It just gave me another reason not to do it straight away, and I really would like to get it done. So this one I've already actually stuck down, but you need to, because I had this ready for some children's church classes, but you do need to colour everything in before you glue it. Colour it in before you glue it. And I recommend colouring in this page first and glue it down, and then that's got time to dry while you colour in the crucifixion one at the front and the He is Risen one for the middle page. So yes, it's all very basic up to that point. Now on the drawing and also on the template for this cover, I do have the slot here and the slit along there marked, so you can see where to cut them. When you do finish colouring in the picture, make sure you line up the slot under here and there on the drawing with the one that's on the card. Okay. I have no idea if anyone has any questions or wants them, but maybe if you could just put them in the chat. Even if I don't see them now, I can get to them later. All right, so now the first thing, the other pieces that we have are a pull tab, right, and a boulder. Okay, so the boulder you can colour in as well and then just cut out. This is actually made of manila folder too. If you've got a sturdier cardboard for the outside card, that would be okay as well. But yeah, this is actually double the same way that the outer card is, and the pull tab has to be quite sturdy, otherwise you can't slide it easily, it'll buckle. So it does need to be fairly strong. So even if you make it and you feel like it's not strong enough, then you can always just reinforce it by putting something else inside, another layer inside, or just double it up and make it thicker. It doesn't matter, just do something like that if you need to. This little piece here is just 8 centimeters long and 1 centimeter wide, and you fold it in 3 folds like that. Then you slide it in between the 2 sides of the pull tab. I've already glued this one down so you can't see, but it actually just slides in between the pull tab. And then what you do is you fold it down like this so that you have two little bits sticking up in the middle like that. This is actually a really clever technique when you don't have glue. It's like, works like a butterfly clip, butterfly pin. It works really well. So Anyway, I'm just going to show you how it goes together, because I'm sure you know how to colour in and do all the rest of it. So this is the back, and what you're going to do is take this sliding pull tab, and you're going to slide it through. Where are you going to slide it through? You're going to slide it through from the front. Okay, so it slides through from the, goes this way. Actually, see how this is why I needed to do this. You slide it through from the back, like that. Okay, and the reason you do that is so that these tabs, because they'll get in the way going the other way, you can push them through that, that slot there. Okay, so you push it through, and once you've got it through there like that, then you get the boulder which has the slit, and you put that on there as well, like that. Okay, and once you do that, you just fold the butterfly out like this. All right, so they're sticking up like that. You just flatten them so that they hold the boulder in place, and then you can actually just stick them down. All right, you can use some sticky tape, or you can use glue. Tape is probably good, but make sure everything is coloured in first. And then once it's in, you should be able to pull and push it along easily, like that, to reveal Jesus alive in the tomb. Okay, so it's not that hard. If you have any questions, that's all good. I'll actually post this video. We'll keep it, and so you can use it for reference. Anyone that makes it, I'll add the link to the file with all of this in it, all of the templates and the instructions and the pictures that you can colour in. I'll put that in as well in the comments here, or in the description. All right, so yeah, it's not hard, and I hope that you have fun doing it. I would love to see any finished ones that you do, and just so you remember how it looks, it's like this. Hi ladies, I'm trying to say hi. There you go. Very informal here. So yeah, I think it's pretty effective, and I just love the simple mechanics of it. He is risen, he is risen, hallelujah, he is risen, yeah, from the dead. So, hi. Thanks for watching. I'll put the all the other information in the link, and I'll see you soon. Let me know how you go. See ya.